This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to receive crypto on Binance. First, you'll need to open your Binance app or website and navigate to the deposit section. Here, you can select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to receive. It's crucial to choose the correct network, like BEP20 or ERC20, to avoid losing your funds. Always double-check the network on both the sending and receiving ends. Once selected, your unique deposit address will be displayed. After selecting your cryptocurrency and network, Binance will generate a unique deposit address for you. This address is like your bank account number for that specific crypto. You can easily copy this address with a single tap or click. It's vital to use this exact address for the transaction. If you're receiving from another Binance user, they can use the internal transfer option, which is often faster and fee-free. Once the sender initiates the transfer, the funds will be on their way. You can usually track the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer using the transaction ID. On Binance, you can monitor the status of your deposit in your transaction history. Most deposits require a certain number of network confirmations before they are credited to your account. This process usually takes just a few minutes, but can vary depending on the network congestion. For transfers between Binance users, consider using the internal transfer feature. This allows for instant and often fee-free transactions simply by using the recipient's email, phone number, or Binance user ID. Always be vigilant about security. Double-check all addresses and network selections before confirming any transfer. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.